very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when the finite bonds with the infinite. Ladies and gentlemen, all creation arises from energy. Before form takes shape, before matter organizes, before thought appears, energy exists, expressing itself through time, space, and intelligence. What is recognized as the universe is a unified dynamic energy system, continuously transforming while maintaining coherence and order. Within this vast continuum, human existence emerges as a finely tuned expression of creation. Its significance lies not only in physical form but in its inherent capacity to receive, transform, generate, and share energy, and uniquely to serve as a living bridge between the finite and the infinite. Energy is the foundation of all existence. Its transformations shape galaxies, ecosystems, and life, guided by the dimensions of time and space, and steered by an organizing intelligence that sustains balance, rhythm, and continuity. The same cosmic energy system powers human life. The human being represents a masterful integration of structure and program, where design and function operate in harmony. Human life unfolds through energy that is continuously received from the larger system, processed internally, generated anew, and expressed outwardly. The human energy system functions as an extension of the cosmic energy system. This linkage is intrinsic rather than incidental. At the center of this interaction stands the human brain, energized by inner dynamos carrying immense capacity, capability, and latent potential. Beyond sensory processing and cognition, the brain enables alignment of the human energy system with the cosmic energy system in ways both observable and subtle, often extending beyond ordinary comprehension. This alignment operates across two complementary dimensions: the finite and the infinite. The finite dimension encompasses the range accessible to human senses and intelligence. Here, connection, alignment, attunement, communion, resonance, and bonding are experienced through perception, understanding, emotion, and action. This domain has long been recognized through intuitive insight and is increasingly illuminated through scientific inquiry into coherence, neurodynamics, and systemic intelligence. The infinite dimension extends beyond commonly referred sensory domains. It is approached through intuition, inner awareness, imagination, subtle perception, and deep visualization, terms that vary across cultures and languages, yet point toward the same underlying truth. This reflects an embedded human capability integral to the design of human consciousness, enabling recognition, realization, and sustained attunement with the larger system from which life derives its meaning and purpose. The system is designed to function through a flow from the infinite to the finite. Energy and intelligence are received from the larger cosmic field, refined and generated within the human energy system, and then expressed into the finite domain through thought, intention, action, and contribution. When this flow remains coherent, life expresses harmony, clarity, and purposeful movement. Through refined awareness, inner coherence, and conscious entrainment of the brain and energy system, alignment with the cosmic field becomes natural. From this alignment emerges intelligence that informs finite engagement, enabling a life that unfolds with balance, vitality, and harmony with existence. What's the way forward? Progress unfolds through integration. As awareness deepens and coherence stabilizes, alignment becomes experiential rather than conceptual. Attunement with the larger system refines perception, elevates intention, and naturally guides action. In this state, human life becomes a conduit through which cosmic intelligence finds expression within the finite world. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the fulfillment of human existence lies in resonance. When awareness stabilizes into coherence and coherence matures into alignment, the finite naturally begins to bond with the infinite. In lived experience, this bond often expresses itself as prayer, not only as words or rituals alone, but as a silent state of inner attunement, where the human energy system becomes receptive to the larger intelligence that permeates creation. In that state, the finite does not seek the infinite. It simply resonates with it. This resonance is also reflected in human design itself. Just as the outer sun sustains life visibly and continuously, an inner sun, the human energy core, responds to light, rhythm, and coherence, radiating vitality, clarity, and consciousness when aligned. This visible bond between cosmic source and inner radiance quietly affirms the deeper truth of human design. Alignment precedes illumination. It is in this living harmony that the essence of when the finite bonds with the infinite is realized, not as an idea but as a state of being. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna's timeless message resonates profoundly. Let the self elevate the self. Let the self not fall, for the self alone is the bridge, and the self alone decides how the bond is lived. In this realization, the finite finds its meaning. The infinite finds its expression, and human life becomes a conscious resonance within the intelligence of creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.